If your Honda Ridgeline keeps dropping its Apple CarPlay connection, it is usually a simple cable or software handshake issue. Data shows that a vast majority of these connection drops are actually caused by damaged or non-MFI certified cables. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to stabilize your infotainment system. Start by inspecting your cable for physical wear and cleaning the lint out of your phone's charging port. Avoid using cheap USB hubs and always ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS for compatibility. If hardware is fine, try forgetting the Ridgeline from your phone's CarPlay settings and repairing it from scratch. Most fixes are DIY, but if the screen flickers or goes black, you might have a deeper wiring harness issue. As you can see, the vast majority of these issues are solved simply by switching to a high-quality, certified cable. If problems persist, check your fuse box and look for official Honda firmware updates for your specific trim level. Keep a non-conductive pick and compressed air in your glove box to maintain your connection ports periodically. Remember that your connection is only as strong as your cable, so do not skimp on quality. Follow these steps and you should be back to a stable connection. Subscribe for more Ridgeline troubleshooting tips.